Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Zaki Hilmy Haidar with the student ID 2024-22044 and welcome to my video presentation. In this session, I will explain a short SQL project that demonstrates several important commands used in database management. I will walk you through each part of the script step by step, starting from creating a database, building a table, modifying it, inserting data, updating records, and finally, retrieving information. So, let's begin. First, I create a new database named Laprak1 using the command create database Laprak1. Then I activate with the command use Laprak1. This means that every SQL operation I perform next will be stored and executed inside this specific database. Next, I use create table statement to define a new table called employee. Inside this table, I define several columns. That is, employee ID as an integer that serves as the primary key and use auto increment, meaning it automatically generates a unique ID for each employee. First name and last name as text field using the varchar data type. It's limited to 50 characters. Department also as a varchar field. Salary as a decimal within 10 and 2 type, which allows for precise financial value with 2 digits after the decimal point. Email as another text field, and tanggal underscore lahir or date of birth using the date type. At this stage, the table structure is successfully created. After that, I modified the existing table using the alter table command. The command alter table employee at element fortune 150 at a new column named alamat, which means address. This is an example of how we can expand a table structure later without recreating it from scratch. Next, I insert some sample data into the employee table using the insert into command. I added 3 employees with different details such as first name, last name, department, salary, email, date of birth, and address. For example, Joko Mursalim works in the HR department, Agus Salim in finance, and Budi Chahaja in IT. Each record contains personal and salary data that reflect a real employee dataset. After inserting the data, I use the update command to modify one of the existing records. Specifically, the line update employee set salary equal to 9 million where first name Agus and last name Salim updates the salary of employee Agus Salim from 4 million to 6 million. The where clause is very important here. It ensures that only the selected record is updated. Without this clause, all records will be modified, which is a common mistake among beginners. Finally, I retrieve data using the select statement to command select star from employee where salary is greater than 5 million. Display all employees whose salary is greater than 5 million. The asterisk or the star means show all columns. This command is very useful to filter and analyze specific information from a table based on given condition. Overall, this simple SQL project demonstrates 6 essential operations. First, creating a database. Second, selecting a database. Third, creating a table. 4. Modifying a table. 5. Inserting and updating data. And the 6 is displaying filtered data. Each command plays a crucial role in managing data effectively. The create and alter command focus on structure while insert, update, and select deal with data manipulation. Together, they form a foundation of SQL database operation. To conclude, this project is a good example of how SQL can be used to organize and manage employee information efficiently. By mastering this basic command, we can build more complex database system in the future, such as employee management system, payroll system, and even larger enterprise application. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Bye.